Welcome to a video by Abron Sport digital BOD with a small 2 feet size. Here we have the chamber. The inside is this one is a perspex sheet. Here we have the light. Here we can switch on the light or off the light. And these are the trays. 2 trays are there. You can place at any place, one are below and one above. This is only for packing. Then these are for setting, how to set the temperature. This has a cooling system, heating system, and light and main power. 243 volt is the main coming. Heating is also there. It will heat only when it is needed. Since the temperature is set at 15 degree, how to set it? Just press this and you can increase it or decrease it. I can set it on 15.1 degree and then enter. This will set temperature, inside temperature. So once this temperature is attained, then only heating will be done. If there is a difference is more, you see this heating is starting now and switching off as far as it comes close to that. Very easy, and please visit the website. And these are our website. Our email is abron01@gmail.com. This one is abron01@gmail.com. Website is abronexports.com. You can send the videos, like the videos, share the videos. Thank you very much. See that, and let's just see the temperature. Now it is coming. Now heating is just slowly, very slowly it is coming. Sometime it is coming. See this heating will be there now, but when the temperature will go, yes, now the heating is going on. It will be maintaining the temperature at about 15, 16, 15, 16. The cooling is off now, heating is off, and then automatically it will be turning on. Here also indicator will come for cooling. Now this temperature is being maintained. It will stabilize after some time. See this heating is going on. This is heating going on. This is cooling going on. You can switch off this also if you do not need it. You feel that only you need the outside temperature is about say 30-40, then you don't need to have the cool heating. It will maintain. Thank you very much.